Hello, it's Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun project share. It's a camera-shaped mini album. This was a kit that I purchased from Rosa Kelly's Scrapbooking. And it's something that she came out with about a year ago. I don't think she has kits available on her website any longer. However, she is selling just a video. And believe me, this is an amazing mini album, so the video is definitely worth the price of admission. You could just use the paper collection of your choice. And I plan on reproducing this using different papers. It's just going to be like a very versatile tutorial to have in my arsenal. So let's take a look at it. Now this is going to be challenging for me to show on camera. I'm going to do my best. It's got a lot of shining gold foil, so if I'm blinding you, I apologize for that. It folds out big and kind of awkward, so I'll do the best that I can. So here you can see the front, obviously. You've got this lovely shaker camera lens, which I think is just such a fun feature. I really enjoyed making that. This is decorated with some Prima flowers and some bling. I think this is from Hunky Dory, and just really, really pretty. And I can kind of like show you maybe the center a little bit. Just really sparkly and fun, and you've got that girl in there, you know, just sitting on the beach with her hat, enjoying her vacation. Just really fun images. Actually made this album for my daughter-in-law, who works for a photography company, and she's also an avid photographer herself. So I hope that she thinks that this is fun and enjoys it. Flip it over and show you the back. It's quite a heavy album. It's about 3 pounds. But just really, really pretty images. A great travel album. Obviously with the luggage and everything, and it even, you know, Rosa thinks of all the details. So it's even got this little ribbon, like a handle, carrying handle, you know, like you would see on a regular camera. Okay, so we are going to open it up. This is magnetized. Now this is where it gets tricky, because when you open it up, you've got this, and plus, let me show you really quick, there's a knob here on the top, and I think that I might have placed that back just a little far. I thought it looked more realistic back than, I think Rosa had placed it more in the center, which was a much better idea. Having it back makes it difficult to open, but we're going to do the best that we can. So let's. So this flips up. It is magnetized. This flips back like this, and as you can see, there's room for a photo right here. Push that up, and then this flips open, and that's where my knob kind of hits right there. So that's a little bit of an issue, but you know, live and learn. You can see the image right here. I mean, I suppose you could put a picture on here, maybe like in the center if you wanted to. And this opens on the side to get into the album. So the first page, I know I'm kind of zoomed out a little bit, it's just so big, so yeah, I don't know what else I can do about that. But this is the inside cover, and you've got this fun woman on her luggage. It's like she's taking a little ride. There's a groove that she can ride back and forth on, just having a blast on her little vacation. And then this opens up like this, and it also opens like that, so you have room for pictures on both sides. And then she slides over this way, and you've got the same kind of a design over here. So you could just flip it like this, or you can pull it out as an accordion fold. It's up to you. And then this also flips up like that, so you can add another picture here, and this one does as well. And then you've got this whole big background where you can also put photos, or maybe like a big photo, and those cameras are just fun, carrying on the theme of the entire album. So that just closes like this. We slide her back this way, close that one, slide her back to the center where she magnetizes in place, so she's not just going on some wild ride on her luggage, you know, the entire time you're looking at your album. Then you've got the next page. Now this looks like a pocket, but it's actually just like an accordion booklet. And so it's got lots of room for pictures on both the front and on the back. So it just keeps going and going. And it also spins. So you can add your pictures, either portrait or landscape, or a combination of the two, and just turn them, and then this, you know, pulls out. So it's a super fun little element to have. Really like that feature. And this also magnetizes back into place, so it's not just spinning around. And then this flips down, so you can see that you've got a big space right here for a picture. And this flips open, and it flips open again, and you've got spaces on either side with photo mats for pictures. And then this just closes back up. And this also is a pocket page, so there's an insert. I'm not going to pull it all the way out, but you get the idea. It's got a little ribbon tab on it, which I think is fun element to the book. And we turn to the next page. This page opens, for one, it's a really fun page. I love this camera image and all of these little images, little cut aparts from the collection. Just super cute. And this flips open like this, and it is a pop-up where you can also, this is just really hard to navigate. I'm doing my best here. You can also put pictures on here, so both of these flip up so that you can add your photos. And then that just closes and magnetizes. And you slide on over to the next page, which looks like this. And this again is kind of a surprise element. It magnetizes, it folds down, but it's actually a pull down waterfall, which I think that those are always fun to incorporate. So really like that feature, and that just magnetizes up at the top. And then this whole thing flips up, so you have a large space for photos. And then another one down here. This flips down. And then you have right here a gatefold that opens up like this. So again, lots of room for photos. And then you've got a pocket right here in the center. Suppose you could put a couple photos right here if you wanted to. These are just cut aparts from the collection that I had left over. And they do have a pattern on the back, but they're all very muted. So you could easily do, you know, some journaling, or put a photo on there if you wanted to. Just some really fun little extras. And they'll slide right back in. It's kind of a hidden pocket. That closes up. Like that. And then again, you have another insert. to the next page, which here she is. It's that image of her on the luggage again, which I think is just super fun. Now this is something, I think this might have been the first album that Rosa made this feature on. I don't know if this is an original design of hers, but I've seen her use it a few times since, and it's very unique to me. So it's kind of like, I think she calls it a tower page. So this pulls up, and this is going to make a noise. Just going to warn you in advance, just the paper rubbing. There we go. And then you pull this up and it magnetizes, and let me lean this over so you can see, is this tower. I don't know if you can, how well you can see that, but super fun design, and it's even more fun in the fact that it also spins. And so you can put pictures on all of these sections and then turn it to view them. So very, very cool element. And it magnetizes into place once it gets back to its original spot. To put it down, you just push this inner portion back down, it magnetizes into place, and it just kind of falls back into place. It is a very fun feature, and again, that's included in the video tutorial, so I really think you're going to want to get this one. Now the next page, I love this image right here. It's kind of what holds it all together. This is also magnetized. It's a gatefold, and how cute is that? And this opens up like this. To get this all in, and then these are twist and pops, so super fun. I did not put any paper on these. I'm assuming they're going to be used for photos, but just to keep the bulk of the album down. I mean, this is, like I said, this is a 3-pound album, 3-pound plus album without any photos in it. So, and then room for a large photo on the back. So very, very fun page. Got another insert right here. This one's pretty tight, but it does come out. And then we go to the last page. It's this neat, kind of looks like an envelope, with a beautiful image of her enjoying a cocktail on the beach. This flips up like this, and this flips down. Large room, or room for a large photo. And then this is another one of those really cool elements. This is actually a waterfall, so it flips open like this. But the neat thing about this is each and every section also flips up and flips down for pictures. So we've got it flipping in all the different ways, and it also rotates. So you can add your pictures, either portrait, landscape, or a combination. And it magnetizes back into place. So a lot of really cool interactive features in this album. Closes like that. And then on the inside back cover, we have this cool set of banners, and these are little booklets. So they open up, you can put a picture, journal, whatever you want to do. Just a fun little feature, a good way to, wrap up this lovely album. So this all folds down like this. Get this all closed. It magnetizes like that. This goes down. And there you have it. I'm very excited to give this to my daughter-in-law. I will be visiting her tomorrow. I made it some time ago, but because of things in the world, I haven't been able to visit. She lives about 7 hours away. and I wasn't super confident about putting something this intricate into the mail. I didn't want anything to happen to it. It's very heavy and it's got a lot of protruding elements, so I just felt it would be better delivered in person, and I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. So I just wanted to make a quick video, share it with you before I gave it to her. So I hope that you love this album as much as I do. I just think it's so much fun, and if you're intrigued at all, I would encourage you to check out Rosa Kelly's scrapbooking and get the details on how you can purchase the video tutorial. It was a lot of fun to make, and it really didn't take long to put together. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed today's video, I invite you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Until we meet again, bye.